first thing that we need to do is download the Blink Home Monitor app. And the quick way to do this is to search for Blink Home Monitor from your App Store and download it that way. The alternative way is to scan this QR code from the startup guide and then tap on blinkforhome.com. Then scroll down and tap on setting up your outdoor and indoor cameras. And then scroll down and tap on download the Blink app and create an account. And then finally, we just need to tap on the App Store icon or scan this QR code, which brings up the Blink Home Monitor app download page. So let's tap to open it. I'm using Face ID on my smartphone, so I only have to double click to install this app. So let's open the app. Welcome to Blink. And let's tap on Create Account. Then select your country of origin and tap Next. And now select your region if not already selected, and then tap OK. Now we need to enter our email address and create a password for our account. After doing that, we need to verify our email by entering the code that Blink has just sent to our email address. And then tap on Verify. And here we can protect our account with our phone number, so let's do that. And now we need to verify our phone number with the code that Blink have just texted us. Now we have a pop-up asking if we want to allow notifications from Blink, so I'm going to allow that. I can always change it later in settings if I want to. And now we get a pop-up advertising a new product, Mini Pan Tilt, so I'm going to dismiss that for now. So now, from the home screen, we can add a device, so let's go to Plus. And let's add the sync module. And now Blink wants to access my camera, so let's click OK on that. And now let's capture the QR code at the back of the sync module. There you go. Create a new system. Continue. Name your system. Tom's CCTV. Continue. Now we need to plug in our sync module and wait for the lights to display blinking blue and steady green. And if this doesn't happen for you after 30 seconds, you'll need to press and hold the reset button until you see a red light. So I'm going to tap on Discover Device, and there's the green light. And now I get a pop-up saying Blink wants to join the Blink Wi-Fi network, so let's tap on Join. Now I can select my Wi-Fi network for Blink to join, and then enter my Wi-Fi password. And tap on Join. Updating firmware. Sync module tool added to Tom's CCTV system. Done. Fantastic. Now we can add a camera tab link system by tapping on the plus icon and then tapping on wireless cameras, and then finally scanning the QR code from the back of the camera. And we need to unscrew the back off the camera with the plastic tool provided to get to the QR code. Now we can see the QR code there. So let's capture the QR code. And now we can select our Blink system and tap on Continue. And while it's looking for our camera and updating the firmware, we get some good advice as to where to best position our camera outside. Camera added successfully, so now we can tap Next. And now we get this message telling us that our device comes with a free trial of cloud storage, which is the Blink Plus plan trial, and it's very good actually, and it covers everything and it covers multiple cameras. And if you want more information on the Blink subscription plans, then please check out my full review of this product at the end of this video. And now if we tap on Done, our Blink security camera system should be all set up, and we just need to tap on Armed to arm our system so that our Blink cameras are ready to detect any movement. And we get a pop-up telling us about a new feature, and we also get a Blink camera notification because the Blink camera on my desk has already detected myself moving and recorded footage of me. And if I tap on Clips at the bottom of my phone, I can see that it's already recorded 5 videos of myself while I've been talking to you. And we can also tap on Settings to fine-tune how we want our camera set up. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please thumbs it up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.